Welcome to our Advent course, Oh Come, Let Us Adore Him. Some years back, there was a book produced called Your God is Too Small. And it was followed a few years later by another book called Our God is Still Too Small. The writers both wondered if we could craft a faith in God which matched the picture given to us in Holy Scripture and revealed in Jesus Christ. Our psalm, and indeed this course, is all about that God. A God who is extraordinary. The depths of the earth are His, the mountains are His, He made all things. Who knows us so deeply. We are the people of His pasture and the flock under His care, the psalmist said. You see, faith in such a God makes new perspectives possible. Whether we believe this world, fractured and flawed as it is nonetheless precious and worthy of our attention. Whether we believe that people, equally flawed and fragile, are made in the image of God and unique. And whether we believe supremely that God could become one of us, born as a child, dying as a criminal, being raised to new life, offering hope to all. I want to invite you to travel deeply into the themes of this course. In this course, we'll be introduced to the person of Jesus Christ and address some of those really big questions. Advent means arrival. It means the arrival of Jesus Christ as a child, and also as we look forward to His reign of truth and love. But it can become something personal for you too. The arrival of new faith and new hope for you in God. Pray that it might be so.
Psalm 95, verses 1 to 7. Come, let us sing for joy to the Lord. Let us shout aloud to the rock of our salvation. Let us come before Him with thanksgiving and extol Him with music and song. For the Lord is the great God, the great King above all gods. In His hand are the depths of the earth, and the mountain peaks belong to Him. The sea is His, for He made it, and His hands formed the dry land. Come, let us bow down in worship. Let us kneel before the Lord our Maker. For He is our God, and we are the people of His pasture, the flock under His care.
As we bring this introductory session to a close, I'd like to offer you some questions for your consideration on your own or in your church community. And the first is this: can we see something of God in the world created around us? And if so, what? The second question is, how do we let God create a deeper faith within us? A faith which matches and reflects the picture we're given in Holy Scripture. And the third is, Advent promises so much. What are your expectations for this Advent course? Advent 1 will take us to the Diocese of St Asaph and Bishop Gregory Cameron. They'll focus on Luke chapter 25, verses 21 to 26. I'd like to thank all of you who've made this course possible and participated within it. So thank you, goodbye, and God bless you.